The next feature we'll talk about is the snapshot. The snapshot allows you to select how you want your scene to appear first and where you want your scene to start. To take a snapshot, simply click the snapshot button, then find the best angle where you want your scene to start, then click snapshot when you're ready. It's important to find the best angle for your room, so make sure that you snapshot the best angle, which will cover the entire area. And when you've updated it, it will now appear as the scene's thumbnail. Another interesting feature is the hotspot. Hotspot is one of the most important features because this allows you to generate an interactive tour. It allows you to link the scene to any parts of the tour or to external links. To create a hotspot, just click the hotspot button. Then you will see a cross. And from this, you can select where you want to put your hotspot. So for example, we will place one hotspot here. And after you double click it, you can choose where the hotspot will direct to. In this example, we will link it to the bathroom, and we will also update the name of the hotspot to bathroom. We'll create a hotspot that links to the main room. Just choose an icon, then hit save. It is also possible to create different types of hotspots. Info point is where you can place the text or even embed video, for example from YouTube. So this is a very interesting feature which can provide some help or information about the scene or object. So to add the video, simply double click it, and then go to info point. You can rename the video, and then paste the embed code on the description box. And then you can select the view button and then save. You can then rearrange the hotspot in any way that you want. Then you can also take a snapshot of your scene. Once you're done adding, try rechecking the links and labels to make sure that they're correct. You also want to see the image quality and make sure that they have the same quality and brightness throughout. So similar to this photo, we can change the quality since it's too bright.